So guys, this video is really close to my heart, and this video is all about my struggle in my real life, that how I learned this English speaking, how I reached at least in this level. So today I am going to share this all in this short video. So please be with me, do subscribe the channel, like this video, comment on this video, and if you like this video then share this video to your friends and family. So guys, as I am an inhabitant of a village, I am from West Bengal and I am a Bengali. It is very difficult for us to speak in English in our real life. It is very difficult for us to translate any sentence from English to Hindi and from Hindi to English. Although we can do it very so easily, the translation from English to Bengali and from Bengali to English, but it's very difficult to translate from English to Hindi and Hindi to English. I was a student of English department, but this was not easy for me or for someone to speak in English, because English speaking and English language or English grammar which we learn in our school is the different things. There are lots of thoughts in our mind that what kind of grammar we need to use to improve our spoken English. So my point of view that if I can speak in English at least a little bit, then why not you can? You can also speak in English so easily. Until and unless you try, you can't become a fluent speaker. You can't reach at the level of a native speaker. We all know that in all over the world, English is the main language, although including all other languages. In our India, as I am belong to India, in our India, the main language is Hindi, and in our West Bengal, our mother tongue is Bengali. So it is very difficult for us to speak in English easily. So behind of everything, it is my best efforts to achieve at this level to speak in English. So I urge you that forget everything. It doesn't matter from where you are, in which state or from which country. If you want to learn English speaking, then you should practice, because until and unless we do practice, we can't achieve anything, even not to become a fluent speaker. As an inhabitant of a village, I don't have any partner to speak to practice this English. Although I practice with myself, I record a video each and every day and try to upload it on this YouTube channel to improve my English speaking, improve my spoken English. So guys, in this meanwhile, please do subscribe the channel, like this video, share this video. Initially, I know that each and everyone, including me, we stuck in our sentence whenever we try to speak with anyone. To take my suggestion, start speaking with students, with a younger, or with a person who are not well in English, because in that case you can become a full confident person also. So guys, don't hesitate, because English is not a subject. Never take it as a subject. Take it as a language, as your mother tongue. As in my case, my mother tongue is Bengali. Even not Bengali, it's Surjapuri, but although we are aware that our mother tongue is Bengali, as in my case my mother tongue is Bengali, so I know that you have a mother tongue. So just imagine that who teach you your mother tongue? You learned it automatically. So that is how you need to practice this English. Make this English your mother tongue. Use this English each and every field to improve your English speaking. In this way, you can improve your English speaking. You can become a fluent speaker so easily. So guys, in this short video, this was my struggle. So if you found this video a little bit helpful, then please subscribe, like, comment and share, and let me know in the comment. Drop a comment that in which topic next time you want me to make a video. So meet you soon on my next video. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind. Bye bye.